Hi guys. So I've finally found a system for my hair that I'm in love with. So it's quite easy, but I guess really what it comes down to is just getting the products for it. As you guys know, I dye my hair way too much. My hair has been very fried for a long time. And mainly like this last time I did it, it got way worse. My hair got pretty dried out and damaged, and I expected that, so it's fine. It's a lot more soft and not dry anymore, which is crazy to me. But the only thing is, I kind of have to keep up with this routine for a while for it to really stay like this. Because if you stop doing the routine, it's just gonna be like it was before you do it. This routine will also help you with how to keep your hair blonde, but if you don't want it to stay blonde, then you don't need to get one of these ingredients to my recipe of healthier hair. I'll go ahead and get started with talking about what I use. There's going to be 4 things total. The first thing is going to be generic brand or Shimmer Lights, anything that's like a purple shampoo basically, that will keep your hair icy toned if you are blonde. This is just to add if you want to keep your hair toned if you're blonde, but the rest of the step you can do whether you're blonde, whatever color you have. So the second thing is going to be the Rin Pure Thickening and Strengthening Shampoo. And I also have the conditioner, so what I'm going to show here is the conditioner. So those are the things that I use in the shower for my hair. What I end up doing is taking the Rin Pure shampoo and putting a nice amount of it in my hand, and then adding a little bit of the purple shampoo and swirling it around with my finger and then applying it all over my head. The roots, the ends, the middle, everything. And I let it saturate for about 2 or 3 minutes. You don't have to use cold water, which is awesome. So I always end up using warm water. I will say if you do just the purple shampoo instead of mixing it with another one and diluting it, your hair will probably turn out purple in the porous parts, such as the ends that are the most damaged, like me. This part always turns purple. After the shampoo, I let the conditioner sit for about 3 minutes on my entire head as well, even my roots, because my hair is damaged enough that it doesn't really look greasy that often, and if it does, it's because I put something in it to make it look greasy. That is the shower process. So after the shower, if you want to do an overnight situation and you don't feel like blow drying your hair, what I like to do is braid my hair when it's wet, but I'll put argan oil in it first. The brand of argan oil that I use is the OGX Renewing Argan Oil from Morocco. I actually gently brush my hair when it's wet, only because the conditioner works amazing and it makes your hair super detangled. Your brush glides through like butter. It's pretty awesome. So I take this and I rub it on my fingertips, and then I just go through and make sure my hair is super saturated, especially in the parts that are really damaged. And then I brush my hair one more time. Like I said, it just glides right through. It doesn't rip any hair out or anything, but you have to be gentle because if you don't use enough conditioner, it will be kind of hard to get the brush through your hair, and I wouldn't suggest brushing it while it's wet because it's elastic and it'll break off, especially if you just bleached your hair. And maybe you shouldn't brush your hair directly after the shower. I would just put the oil in it, braid it, and then brush it in the morning. That's the night routine. Now, if you are trying to take a shower and then go out the same day, what I do is I just do the same process in the shower, and then I blow dry my hair. I probably should use some kind of heat spray on my hair, but I don't. I just go ahead and blow dry it, and then after, when my hair is almost completely dry, I use a paddle brush like so, and I add the argan oil directly to the brush like this. Don't squeeze it because it will automatically pour out anyways, but if you're going out, you don't want your hair to look super greasy, so I only do a little bit. And then I start at the spots that are most damaged, and then like when you get to the ends, you can take it and kind of do that, make sure it really gets on there. And it's just a really good way to like finish off your hair and make sure it's nice and shiny. Yeah, that's good, and it'll kind of dry on its own. So I'm gonna do the other side. This probably isn't like a hairdresser's favorite recommendation of doing this, but for me it's the easiest thing that I can do super fast before I go out. You can maybe take the straightener and just straighten the ends a little bit, make them look less damaged. That's what I normally do. That's what I did today. I took a shower earlier today. I blow dried my hair and then I put the argan oil in it and straightened just the rough spots. I don't do it too long either because I don't want to damage my hair more. I only wash my hair like 2 or 3 times a week, and I feel like that also helps because the natural oils kind of heal your hair a little bit. Hopefully this recommendation is good for you, and thank you for watching. Sorry this video took so long to come out, but I wanted to make sure I found a great routine, one that I'm actually confident in, because the coconut oil one that I tried before, my hair just ended up looking super greasy, and I found that argan oil is just more shiny and soft than coconut oil. Coconut oil is awesome for your skin. You could do coconut oil before the shower, but you know, that's up to you. Thanks for watching. I talk too much.